Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest update regarding the save corruption and save wipe bug in Forza Horizon 6. The good news is that Playground Games and Xbox have started rolling out a fix for affected players. If you're playing on Xbox Series X or Series S, make sure your console is fully updated, because the fix is being delivered through a system update. You can check for updates by opening Settings, going to System, and then selecting Updates. Install any available update and restart your console. If you're playing on PC, including the Steam version, you need to make sure your Gaming Services app is updated to the latest version. The fix is rolling out through Gaming Services on Windows. To do that, open the Microsoft Store. Then click Downloads on the bottom left. After that, click Check for Updates. If a Gaming Services update appears, install it and wait for it to finish. Once the update is complete, restart your PC before launching the game. Players on PC should ensure Gaming Services is version 37.114.10.001.0 or higher. Even with the fix rolling out, I still recommend keeping your game updated and following any official guidance from Forza support. Hopefully this update completely resolves the save corruption issue that many players have been experiencing. If you've already installed the update, let me know in the comments whether it fixed the issue for you. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.